Hello?
It feels good out here.
Oh, it do. Y'all look at the lighting. So we are on our way to Walmart. Whole lot of gang activity. This sun is real bright though. Can't even look.
It's not that cold. I know last night was cold. It was cold as high, so.
Y'all, last night was a movie. For real. That was a movie.
Insert clip.
No, for real. Insert clip here.
I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga. Lean stankin', nigga. What the fuck you thinking, nigga?
Why do I look like this? Oh, shit. Oh, why do I look like this?
Damn, that kind of like.
I don't know. Oh, that's $800. Get it. That look like you got an attitude. Pipe down.
Ooh, don't do too much.
Y'all know what was another movie? New Year's. Insert
What are you
clip here.
doing? You think you.
Oh my. Oh my gosh. So it's New Year's Day, and yes, say hey to the vlog. Hey,
I'm Ariel.
this is after
I'm Maya.
the wild night.
We had a wild night.
For real.
Yeah, that party was lit.
Kiera,
With you, I like
say hey. Say hey.
Hey, bud. You finna pass me? Stupid ass. God.
Chronicles of driving with Kiera.
Fucking parking spot.
You got
Dumb ass bitch. You don't know how to drive.
And why would she go to this one?
Then
And then
don't
look
try
how
to
she's
yell at
parking.
me.
Oh my god. Y'all, this lady just stole our parking spot. So rude. Like, so rude.
You don't know how to park.
She going to her glove
Today the right day.
She going to her glove compartment. We already
Exactly. Cutting up, y'all. Cutting up. We over here just trying to grocery shop because we about to have our last dinner together. And they acting a fool. What? I swear.
Oh, Fano.
Doing too much.
Before
Too
her.
much just happened in this Walmart. Too much.
Like, it's too much going on for real.
I couldn't even vlog it all because it was just so much.
Back from it.
Negativity, and it's 2018.
Y'all. So now Erica we're not even grocery shopping. No groceries. Walking out with no groceries. We're not even cooking no more. We're gonna go out to eat instead. Erica's getting a sandwich. Why? I don't know.
And Maya.
You're gonna eat in 2 hours.
I don't know why.
I did not eat nothing.
I didn't eat this morning.
I'm hungry. I gotta feed.
Gosh. You wanna say hey to my vlog? I don't know. She really rude, y'all. I don't know. This is my new friend. What is your name?
He can't hear you.
They acting a fool at this subway, y'all. Yeah. Call him Travis. That's my Chavis. That's my new friend. Free Subway. Free Subway. Yay. Okay. This sandwich is so good.
Y'all, it's my first time eating Subway in like 5 years.
This is our first time eating bread in forever.
For real?
My teeth's cold. I think it's
Tastes so good.
It really is really good. Shout out to Travis for the free sub.
Yeah. Tastes just like I remember it.
Look at these nail polish I just bought. They're so cute. For real. Y'all, Miami is going up though, for real. Just
Week 2.
I'm gonna be so dead.
Okay. I got this color.
I'm gonna be hot. I'm gonna be dead.
It's so cute. It's so summery. And then I got some glitter. So cute.
You sound like them YouTubers.
I'm not joking. I really think it is for real. What? I have to go on the 19th. No, wait, let me see. I remember y'all's not the same as ours. I'm just not going. for where? So I can't come. Oh, like they have class. Oh, I see what they said. I don't know why they said it was over at 18. They don't have class on Saturday and Sunday. Oh, okay. So we can do. Can you read? Salad. What's salad? Oh. You know what I said? Are you good? The sound not good? I don't feel like salad anymore. I'm too tight, so I don't like it. I don't want to make sure I can eat right now. This is good. You got the full? Yep.
Hey y'all, so we're not eating out, we're eating at Papa John's now.
I'm not gonna fucking earrings like a ball. Look at my ballerina twirl. This how they do.
What's your name?
6'8".
6'8". Go crazy, yeah. yeah. He's staring because I had to put him in the vlog. That's what he wanted. You wanted to be put in the vlog, right?
You might get famous from this.
Exactly.
Like, you just don't know.
It's going up from here. It's going up. Somebody want to shout out? Obama gonna watch this. Everybody gonna watch this.
Oh, really?
We
Bro.
on YouTube.
No, that's why y'all roll so deep.
We always roll deep.
It's our dog.
Ruben, say hey to the vlog.
Say hey to the vlog.
Anybody want to shout out?
Shout out to Snapchat.
Can we have paper and napkins too?
I got y'all. Shout out on the blog.
Exactly. He got it. You all in his neck.
How many plates y'all?
Just give us a few. Yeah.
The whole stack.
We flying, Ruru. Girl, he's like he go to West Georgia. Is that a university?
Ooh, West Georgia.
It's all about state, not Southern, huh? I go to Georgia State. Georgia State.
What you say?
Not Southern. You state, not Southern, huh? He mad.
West Georgia Tech, boo. What's on your jersey? What's on your hoodie? What's that?
What school you
It's like in downtown Atlanta, it's a private school.
What high school you go to?
go to a private
Oh, okay. Do you live around here? Okay. Are you high?
You know, his
His
dad right now.
That's not his dad.
Yes, that is.
Cut it up.
Everywhere we go.
That's my Bye. Say bye to the vlog. So, the game is all that. I don't know. Erica, y'all, tell me why Shamar moving out. Right.
I want to see stuff.
That's so depressing. Look. Let me show you guys what we're getting. His name gonna be Teddy. And Sears buying him for me. She's so sweet. We got two, so they're not too lonely, you know? Where the other one head at? I don't know. He's asleep right now. She's Corey, Woo! I'm really dehydrated. Y'all, these used to bust when I was a little kid. I mean, we didn't have Duck McStuffins.
You think I could just leave him?
Oh, that's so sad. I'm gonna miss y'all so much. Ooh. You gonna try to run? Who put these teddy bears here? Like, that is so childish. Like, what the heck? So childish. Wait, who got these noodles? She really shopping. So, I haven't been vlogging, but I'm just gonna catch you guys up real fast. It's like the third day of school, and it's raining every day. So this is how I'm coming with the hood. But school's going pretty amazing. I love all my teachers so far. The only thing is these walks to these classrooms. No, not the move. But yeah. Hey guys. So we're about to go to the basketball game. Look at Erica. Lacey. Sierra's booty. Sierra, say hey to the vlog.
Hey, vlog.
Yeah, yeah. Check the fit. Ugly laugh. What? Tell them why you got the tattoo. Come on. Tell it. Sierra, don't be shy.
Don't tell them. Use me for clout.
Can you explain again where we're sitting? I don't know how to explain it.
So we're at the game. Corey, say hey to the vlog.
Let's go, Burgundy.
Corey, you're not famous. Say hey.
What's up?
So y'all, after the game, it's a party, and we're trying to figure out if we're going or not. And yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. 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 Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. It's going up at SSU. This is our new replacement for Shamar. This is replacement for Shamar. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Mark can't be replaced.
Oh, I'm not a fucking replacement.
Tell them who you are.
Oh yeah, I'm Andre Robinson, man, from Dooley County. I already know sexy ass nigga.
Ooh, don't do too much. Don't do too much.
Doing too much.
Get clean. Ooh.
Get clean then.
Slap